Let me show you how you can use Game Booster feature on the Samsung Galaxy S25. So first of all, you will have to start by opening settings, and now just keep scrolling for advanced features, and right here just go into Game Booster settings. And first of all, you can quickly change the game optimization, so you can go to performance, balance, or battery saver. If you are playing games, you should actually go with the performance. Right here you can also customize for individual games. I don't have any games, but if you have, then you will be able to find them here and change some settings. You can also force to get 120 Hz refresh rate, and in this place you can also get in-game panel, so we can turn on a quick button to touch protection, to a navigation button lock, to take screenshot, or for example record a screen. And you can decide where to access the in-game panel, so by using your navigation bar right here, or by using shortcut bar. You can even reorder tools, so if you want to, for example, use recorder, if you often use recorder, you can put it at the first place. Next, we can also edit pop-up apps, so you can simply reorder them, and you can even add some apps from this, app list. When you go back, we got touch protection, so we got automatic touch protection for 3 minutes, never, or for example for 15 seconds. We got option to save power during touch protection, so it will reduce the frame rate for games while touch protection is active, and below we can find some screenshots options. Here when you tap on the About Game Booster, you can even update this one if it is outdated.